Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. So, you've made something cool in Gamma, but the watermark at the bottom, yeah, it's not the vibe. Let's talk about how to remove it quickly and without breaking any rules. First off, the watermark shows up if you're on Gamma's free plan, and you try to share, export, or present your project. It's their way of keeping the free version, well, free. Now here's the cleanest way to remove it. Upgrade to a paid plan. Once you're on a pro or a team plan, the watermark disappears automatically from your exported PDFs and public links. The pro plan usually starts around 10 to 20 bucks a month, depending on features. But if you're just testing out Gamma and don't want to commit yet, there are a couple of workarounds. Just know that they're very limited. You can try taking screenshots of your slides and manually cropping out the watermark, or copy and paste the content into tools like Google Slides or PowerPoint. If you've already exported a PDF editor can help you crop the watermark out, though that gets tedious for full decks. Just a heads up, using Gamma's content commercially without a license or trying to bypass the watermark systematically could go against their terms of service. Bottom line, for anything serious or client-facing, upgrading is the way to go. But for quick drafts or testing, those workarounds can get you by. Hit like if this helped, and let me know in the comments if you want a workaround for other free tools that don't want to, you don't want watermarks on.